Hey guys, if you want to see how I got this look, then please stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm going to start the day off with a shower. You already know self-care is a must, honey. Period. So in the shower, I use Jason Rose Water Soap from Whole Foods. Hey love bugs, I know you wondering where I've been, honey, but I just graduated college and now I'm a teacher, so I've been real busy. But nevertheless, we're back with another video, honey. Okay, so now I'm going in, honey. I'm brushing my teeth. I usually use Colgate Triple Action. That's my favorite toothpaste, but today we're using Ultra Bright because I feel like it gets your teeth really bright. So now we're pearly white. We're all clean. Oh, she's doing a dance. Oh, do a dance for him. Do a dance for him. Okay, she has her blazer from Assy Store. Period. Okay, sis. Okay, pop the collar. Okay. Y'all, this belt on this blazer is super duper cute. And I love how it looks with the white nails matching and the black turtleneck underneath. I did my nails by myself last night. Okay, now we're going in with our perfume. I love perfumes. If you want me to do a perfume haul, let me know. I'm going in with my strawberry pound cake from Bath and Body Works, my favorite. Oh, you see? You could tell it's my favorite. Oh, it did knock me into a praise break. Lord have mercy. It smells so good. Yup. Okay, nice and moisturizing. Oh, did knock me into a worship. Hallelujah, Jesus. Oh, show the bounce, bounce. Show the bounce. Okay, get him a little shimmy, sis. Get him a little shimmy. I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, her Volume 2 palette from Morphe. I'm going in with my MAC Ruby Woo and my Lash Paradise mascara. See, I love this palette because it has different colors. It also has neutral shades and shimmers. Now I'm going in with the shade Drama Queen. It's the perfect pink shimmery shade. It's amazing. If you notice, I'm dabbing it on there because I notice when I dab it, it has more pigment and it shows up more. So I like to dab. I also use my fingers a lot when I'm doing my makeup because I feel like when you're in a rush, it's kind of hard for you to have time to clean your brushes and everything. So I mostly just use clean hands. Wash my hands before I do it because I do have sensitive skin sometimes, so I can't really, have certain things on my skin. So extra precaution. Okay, sis. She's a happy camper now. Now I'm going in with my Lash Paradise mascara. I'm wiping off the excess. And if you notice, I'm going left and right with the wand just to make sure that all my lashes are coated before I go upward. See, now I'm going upward. And this is going to add length to your lashes. With a dab of volume. Now usually I'll just opt for some Fenty lip gloss or regular lip gloss. But today for you guys, honey, we're going in with the MAC Ruby Woo. I really love this red a lot because it's like the classic red and it's really bright and I feel like it's really timeless. This lipstick has been around for years, but I feel like it will always be one of my favorites. Girl, you better swim in the ocean, honey. You better backstroke in the ocean, honey. Oh, she going underwater. Robot. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, robot malfunction. Bye, guys, and thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.